I'm back, guys. Southbound Tri-Rails. The southbound Tri-Rails are leaving, heading towards Cypress Creek and then eventually Hialeah Market. There it goes. Well, bye.